Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending you're watching me from. This is Vinifac Electronics Nigeria. So I'm showcasing your double door fridge today in Hisense products. This red one comes with water dispenser. It dispenses water, and you also have warranty for 1 year. And this is silver. You can see it's still Hisense products. Still the silver, and it comes with 1 year warranty too. That's the freezer compartment, very nice, and you can remove the glass inside if you have so many things to put inside. And down here is the fridge, so beautiful. You can gift your loved ones, you can buy for yourself. Just come to my DM. Thank you so much, and remember this. Thank you. Love you guys. Ciao, ciao.